Evil dog. There's one right here. Don't touch it!
Run!
Give it.
There's two of them! They're gonna kill us!
It's over?
Every single one!
Look at that evil stare.
They're gonna kill us. Right there! Right there!
I have chickens now.
Look! It's giving us a weapon!
It's running away. It's running away.
He's chasing the evil dog.
He's chasing the evil dog, and he is crazy. What an idiot. Ladies and gentlemen, do not do this at home. Believe me, you don't want to do this. Is he dead? Is he dead?
Is he dead?
Something's got into him.